Human mind has the power to see the unseen, imagine the unimaginable, and make impossible the possible. Even it's a proven fact that human brain has the capability to generate some volts of electric current that is sufficient to lit a LED bulb. If we want to see the power of human brain, the best example is the theoretical physicist, cosmologist, and author, late Stephen William Hawking, who had an infunctional body, but a functional human brain, due to which he was able to give the concept of black hole, which is the most researched topic nowadays in the field of science and research.
I have recently found it easier for my mind to follow my body. If I want to be the kind of person who works out every day, I simply set my alarm and go to the gym every day. If I want to be a friendly person, I simply act friendly toward people, and my mind will eventually think more about other.
Many people have relapsed into either overeating or undereating because they have not fixed how they view things. The inside matters more than what's on the outside. You need the right goal and perspective to make it happen on the outside. You can't eat better or make the right choice of getting a tattoo, piercing, etc. when your mind is not in a good place. Once you fix how you think, if it needs fixing, then you can make smarter choices and weigh out the pros and cons with a clear mind.
In today's world, in order to be happy, it is really important to keep ourselves updated with the going trends and stay fit and healthy. But to be happy, we first need to have coordination between a healthy mind and a healthy body. These two are interdependent terms. A healthy mind means a positive attitude towards life, which increases the oxygen level in the body and increases the blood circulation. It helps keeping a person energized. An energetic and enthusiastic person will also make sure that she is physically healthy to keep himself focused and determined towards life goals. Exercising regularly and eating healthy are two basic needs of today's. Living as it keeps the satisfaction level high and a person feels youthful. A sound mind and a healthy body is the key to happy life. I personally believe that positive mind keeps me motivated towards my goals, and this positive attitude motivates me to stay fit, healthy, and focused. A healthy mind makes a healthy body, so it is important to keep your mind in check first. If you are mentally fit, you can conquer the world's happiness. To have a healthy mind, all you need to do is stay away from negative people. Think positively, meditate for at least 20 minutes. This is all you need to do for your brain exercise. Your mind is the part of your body, so keep it healthy, and automatically you will be encouraged to keep yourself physically fit. For keeping yourself physically fit, you need to exercise regularly, eat healthy. Therefore, these two terms go side by side because you can't stay healthy if your mind is not fit. And if you feel depressed and low, you will never feel like exercising. So, proper balance between the two is must for a happy and youthful life.
People start noticing. They start appreciating the amount of hard work I put in my daily schedule. I have a tough schedule, 8:30 a.m. leave for office, come back in evening around 7:30 to 8 p.m. 6 days a week. People would never know how much it helps me on a psychological level. Workout calms me down. When you are drenched in sweat and you look in the mirror, it's the satisfaction for your soul. I am strong now, much more than I used to be. You don't have to be super bulky to be strong. I used to have bad eating habits, used to have digestion problems, but not anymore. Speaking of food, I love what I eat. I cleaned up my diet due to my workout. Sundays are the toughest day for me. Sleeping cycles are now perfect. I'll go to bed by 10:15 to 10:30 p.m. and wake up around 5:20 to 5:30 a.m. See, perfect. I don't feel lethargic now. I am full of energy all day long. I live in present now, stopped giving a fuck about the past and future. It's a drastic change. It's the psychological need for workouts that drives me crazy. After a gap of 1 or 2 days, it's so tempting to work out on Monday. When I go to bed, my last thought is about next day. Work out not about some irrational thoughts that used to come before. It's the confidence that I got after my transformation. I can't be more happy about my life. So in a nutshell, I do it because it makes me happy, strong, confident, and made me one arrogant bitch.
A strong mind is the foundation of your life. And even if you have a strong body, without a mind that is a pile of muscles and blood, nothing more. Self-image is your life script. You live, work, think, behave by the rules of your script. You can confirm or change your script, it's up to you. When you start that change, all your activities following your change in all life fields. When you have a strong foundation of your personality, you can apply other changes. When you build a strong personality, your life will be consistent with your personality, and you will express yourself in that direction, and you will behave in that way. You need to constantly improve your life and to work on yourself each day until you feel the change and start a new life with a new personality.
Most people live a default existence. Their awareness and open-mindedness just stay where it is because of ignorance or intellectual disability. What I find in practice is that it takes courage to change. Awareness is the key to unlocking your mind. People don't want to go, can't, or are afraid. Another reason I find people don't is because eventually you are going to have to face yourself. The more awareness you develop from any source eventually and logically sends you inward. Looking at yourself is hard and painful at times, and it takes courage. It doesn't take much courage to move 2,000 lb of weights or run daily. Both take commitment and persistence, and the mind and body deteriorate without continued maintenance. It has only been about 60 years since exercise was recognized as a good thing. Remember Jack LaLanne? He was one of the pioneers for fitness, and his show started around 1953. There is a lot of movement toward awareness and mental fitness. It is just going to take a while before people realize they are getting behind mentally. Physical fitness took off because the keyword vanity, not health. It began as health but lost momentum until the idea of hard body came out in the 70s. Eventually, people will notice how good they look when they are mentally fit. When both mental and physical health are at their peak, it creates animalistic magnetism and causes attractiveness in relationships.